Hey everyone, back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you the trending Wednesday series video effect on CapCut. So now I've already have a scene from the Wednesday series, and I want to add some effect on it to make it more dramatic. So first import your video and then just click on effects and choose body effects, and here click on the body and then choose the flame outline, this one. Click on that effect and you can adjust it into whichever you like. So I'm going to just the color, I'm going to go with 100 and I'm going to lower the range into around 30 like this, and then I'm going to also lower the intensity and lower the speed. And then after that, click on the check icon and then go back and click on the body effect again, and now click on the hardware, and in here choose the lightning, this one's right here. Click on that, adjust it, and here I'm going to adjust the color so it fits with the previous effect. Okay, I'm going to just choose this color and I'm going to lower the intensity. Okay, after that, go back, click on the check icon and then go back again and click on the body effect, and here choose the last effect. Click on the body and now use this Tyndall effect. Click on that, adjust it so that the color is look better with the other two effects. So I'm going to go with this color right here and then click on the check icon, and now here is the effect. You can just adjust it with where you want to apply the effect. So for example like this, and I think that's it. I hope this tutorial will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to click on the thanks below. Bye bye.